southwest end of 7 Mile Bridge, Florida Bay, including Barnes Sound, Blackwater Sound, and Buttonwood Sound, until 12:45 p.m.
Well, what's up, Key?
At 12:09 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Man of War Key, moving northeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, National Weather Service meteorologist. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Locations in the warning include Duck Keys, Mosquito Point, Snake Line, First National Bank, Bradley Key, Man of War Key, and Frank Key. Boaters should seek safe harbor as quickly and as safely as possible. When downpours reduce visibility, slow down. Prepare for wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, steep and fast-building seas, frequent lightning, and blinding downpours. Stay low or go below, and make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. The Marine Forecast.
Long time no see, Key.